Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss out on the latest updates, events, or conversations in your favorite Roblox communities, you'll want to enable community notifications in the Roblox app on your PC. With the new update, it's easier than ever to stay connected. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you set up. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your settings and notifications. Next, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled More. This will open up a new set of choices for you to explore. From here, find and select Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience, including your privacy, account details, and of course, notifications. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notification section. Click on it to open up all the notification options available to you. This is where you can control exactly what alerts you receive from Roblox. Now, find the option labeled Community Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Each community will have its own toggle switch, so you can choose which ones you want to receive notifications from. To enable notifications for a specific community, simply switch the toggle to On. You can do this for as many communities as you like. If you ever change your mind, just come back to this menu and switch it off. And that's it. You're now set up to receive community notifications on Roblox, so you'll always be in the loop when something new happens. Whether it's a big event, a group announcement, or a chat update, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Roblox experience. Stay connected and happy gaming.